Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Revit Logic, and this is Mr. Beam. We are going to continue our markup response from my previous video. So we just fixed the penetration for this blue pipe, which is a drainage. We just picked it completely random. So maybe this one also is a problem. So this one is actually going top of the wall, so there is no clash here. But it's always good to check. I'm really not sure that. I'm sorry. I'm really not sure that what's the meaning of these arrows. Is a rack direction? But anyway, the engineer asked me to delete it. Let's continue with this drawing is 321, and let's continue. 321. You have to finish this one tonight. So 321. We are not going to see anything because the wall is hidden. That's okay. Oh, we was to fixing this one. Cast in situ. We are going to change this one to cast in situ board pile, and I'm going to also general arrangement because we also have this legend there. I could just go to the legend part of the Revit and fix it there. Probably would be even faster. So also this one I'm selecting all and board pile. Okay, I'm closing this one and I'm closing my volume I'm fixing. Let's back to the. So I done that one. Set out point is also it's not there. So going backward, I have to copy paste this one here to respond that. Okay, now let's go forward. Okay, now this is a drawing that I hated. So it's asking me move to the bottom right. I will do it. This one doesn't have this, so we have to replace it. So what I'm going to do is going back to Revit. That one is pile cab layout. 411. Oh, now we have trees on the background. I asked from BIM manager, I need these trees 6 months ago. But now they added now. Okay. So this one, what's the name? Foundation legend. So we have to go to legend because this one, for this one, we don't have this pine here. So I'm going to bring my project browser in this corner. Let's check this one. So let's go to legend. What I'm doing? Where's legend? These are a schedule. I'm just going to sheets. We need them. Legend. The blue ones are inside. They are placed in the sheet. Okay. Foundation legend is this one. General notes structural legends. GA legend. So this is GA legend. This is, so these two exactly are the same thing. Are they? I I assume. So foundation legend. I will just say this one is, I will call it pile layout legend. Okay. Pile layout notes, pile layout legend. Pile layout legend, which we need to have this one. Okay. Then we will have this GA legend duplicated with detailing, and we just copy pasting this name to that name. Instead of pile layout, we will just say that pile cap layout legends. So this one doesn't have the, yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm closing this, and now I have to select this one, and I have to just delete them. I'm going to delete it, drag and drop this one. Viewport should be nothing, no title. I'm just going to nudge it down somewhere, which is, you know what I'm going to do? That's the same as the GA, right? So why even I created this one? So let's delete this one. Let's delete it from here. I will just call this one GA Legends, GA, and pile cap layout. Okay, simple. What I have to do, going to one of these GAs, first of all, how many sheets we have? I have to go one by one, deleting this pile layout legends. I'll delete it. How can I take it out? Remove from sheets. Same thing. Pile layout legend. Remove from sheets. Remove from sheets. Another remove from sheets. And this one. Remove from sheets. Now what I'm going to do, because I can drag and drop, but I want just to have a little bit more consistency with the location of the legend on these general arrangements. So I'm going to one of these general arrangements. Okay. Its location looks good, but there is a but. I'm clicking on this one, Control C for copy. I'm going back to here. I have two scale here, because there is also a detail there. So now, if I paste it to same place, yeah, so the problem now is on general arrangements, we don't have any double scale, but we have double scale on foundation detail pie cap layouts. So unfortunately, I cannot have them in the same location, exact same location. So I have to just nudge this one up. So I will just choose this location. I will just copy paste this one, copy them. I'm going to the all these sheets one by one and paste it. It will take years to load. But I will just do this one. I will back to you. So we can do it. We can do it. You know what happens? You know what happens? This one doesn't have the set out point. This one doesn't have the set out point. So this should be completely separate. So I'm going just to delete this one. And the sheet 1, again deleted. I think we already created on the legend, right? Or did I delete it? I deleted. So unfortunately we have to go to the pile cap, pile layouts legends, duplicating that one, because this one also doesn't have the setup point. It doesn't matter too. Yeah, anyway, we have to create. So this one has a setup point, but it doesn't have this one. So that means I will just copy paste this one, but this is only specifically for legends. It's unique to the legends, to general arrangements. This one will be this, but it has the setup points. It's the one with setup points. Not sure where is the original one. Oh, okay, you know what? The original one, I have it somewhere here. On the families, on detail item, this one. So if I click on this, if I go to family origin, oh, what I have done. Most of them are same thing. If I go here, edited, yeah, setup point is not there. So now, okay, now the challenge is we have to bring back that setup point. It's not difficult task, so we know that this looks like that. I will just need to find this symbol. Let's back here to the legends. Let's type SY for symbol. That only works for me. You have to go to annotate and just finding this symbol. So I said SY for symbol. So let's say set plan setup points. It's kind of maybe will work, but we need another one. Is the nothing, not this one. Set out points. We need this one. So we have to just take out this. We will just put it somewhere here. I can even have a line. The middle of it just aligning. AL align. That one with that one. Deleting that one. Copying this text down. What was before? Set out point. The question is it set out or set out? We have a problem with the hyphen. Set out point. You know what? Let's check that if we have not with direct mod plus. Going to search and replace and checking here set out. Set out points. How about we with dash? We don't have. So okay, that's okay. So this is okay. Now this legend is fixed. It has a set out point. So I'm going to close this one. I'm going to close this one. Back in here. Now I have to go to my legend. All the way up. That legend was high cap layout. Only pile cap layout legends. All good. I'm going close and I'm going to drag and drop here. I'll put it somewhere there and no title. Let's see it down. I will just choose here. So now selecting on the Control C for copying. Now we have to go to other sheets. Going to modify, paste on aligned, the same place. Next sheet. Align to the same place. Next sheet. So those trees are added. Do we have the trees in the legend? No, this one is clashing. I think there is also. Comments that why this is clashing. I think we extended this one too much down. What's the... I'm clicking on this one to find out what is the scope box name. It's 120.1F. Okay, well, I'm just hiding these two boreholes. So now I have to go to one of my plans, which its name is scope box fixing. And I have to go to that area, which is this. What was the name? 120.1F. I will keep this one. That 120.F is this. I have to just drag this one a little bit upper. So I will keep this one in my another monitor. You will see that here it will change. Now I will release it. It will change here. I will go upper. How much we don't know. It just takes so long. I think a little bit more, so I can even not going to see those two boreholes. No one will not tell me that why your boreholes are hidden. Why the text for boreholes is not there. So now this one is fixed. I'm going to just deactivate this view. What I'm going to do, I will just move this one somewhere there. What if I can just nudge this one up? There's no space. The reason here you can't see the girders is because that link is not underlay, probably. Oh, it's underlay. It's underlay and halftone. So what about the general arrangement? See, I just picked it right now. I just picked it right now. So that one was 400. Let's see if here On the 100, which was this one, no, it was 110. It was GA 110 overall plan. They asked to hide the girders in the previous video, or maybe two video before. I can just put the link here, this one. So now the question is, what's the setting for that link? Why are we supposed to just hide the girders? We could just have an underlay. Is that because this one here is not underlay? That link is 23. Oh, it just has a half tone. Maybe it only happens with that one. Not sure. Anyway, back into the markup. We fix this one. We fix this one. We also fix that one. We also brought back the dimensions here. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm going to continue the markups. Probably I'm going to record it for the next video. For now, bye.